5 Steps to Start a Manual Car Beginner's Guide. Hello friends, welcome to Car Learner. Today we'll give you some handy tips on how to start a manual car. If you are a beginner, do not miss these quick tips. So let's get started with our today's video. Before you start the car, get familiar with the car. Sit in the driver's seat and make sure that the seat is adjustable according to your height. Set the height of the seat so that you can easily push the clutch pedal. Try to push the clutch pedal a couple of times and put your right foot on the brake to make sure car doesn't not move. Also, make sure the gear position is in neutral. Now it's time to start the vehicle. Here are some steps that will help you to start the car. 1. Press the clutch all the way down to the floor with your left foot. 2. Step on the brake with your right brake. 3. Now release the emergency brakes to confirm the gear is in neutral position. 4. Turn the key in the ignition. 5. Now your car should start up. Thus to start the car, shift the gear into first. Thanks for watching the video. Check the description box for more details. Follow www.carlearner.com for more tips.